Welcome back, guys. And now I'm going to write the Hello World program. So, what's the function of this Hello World program? It will print Hello World on our screen. This is something you will get on your screen by default as we are not using it. So, let's remove this thing. All right. Now, I'm going to start writing my program. So, our program begins with including library. I'm include. Inside here, you will write a library name which library you want to include. So I'm including standard io.h. So it's a short form for standard input output, and library contains many functions which the programmer will use in his or her programs. And I'm not going deep into the subject, and later on you will see what are the different types and what are different functions of library. But for now, we should keep in mind that library contains a lot of functions which we will use in our programs. So this is one of the very basic library. And if you are not including this library, so the compiler will not know what to do. Okay. Now I'm going to write main. Our program starts with main function. Okay. So whenever you write the main, the compiler will see, okay, this is the main function, and from here we have to start our program. Okay, now I'm going to print some text. So for that, I'm using a function that's called printf, and this is the way to write in the printf function. Okay, in between these quotation marks, you will write your text which you want to print on the screen. And this printf is one of the functions this library contains. As we are writing hello world in here, so we will write hello, Hello, hello world, and slash backslash n. Okay, so what is this backslash n? It gives you a line, a space, and it ends with a semicolon. The printf function and every other functions, they end with semicolons. Okay, now I'm going to finish our program with a return value of 0. So I'm writing return 0. Okay, so what is the return function? So a return function, it returns a value. In here in this program, it will return a 0 value. So it will be the end of our program. So let's see, and later on you will see the different types of return, like what else can we return with this function. In here we are just returning 0, but later on you will see we can even return big functions, large functions. Okay, now I'm executing it. All right, so as you can see, we got our text in here, which is hello world. So what we wrote here, hello world, and we got hello world. And the backslash n, why is this not included? As you can see, because the function of this backslash n is to include a new line, and you can see we have a line between this line and this line. Okay, so let me remove this new line character so that you can see what was the function. Okay. Now compare this output with the other output. So this output, it has no space between these two lines. It's just a hello world, and after that, right after that, you got this process return and a lot of writing. Okay, so I'm including backslash n, which is a new line character. It creates a new line. So what kind of possible errors can you get? For example, you can miss these semicolons here. What will be the output? Wow, it's an error. And if you get an error, you can see this bar will turn, it will get a red dot or a red square, and it will also give you an error message in here. This under this build messages, it will give you the error type, that what you are missing or what is expected. So in here you can see error expected semicolons before return. So we have to write semicolons before return. So we have the return here, and before it we are including semicolons. Okay. When you don't have any errors, this bar will turn green, and you can execute your program. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.